Okay, YouTube. Hello, everybody. I hope you are doing great. So, today I want to tell you a secret. Well, it's not a secret, it's something interesting, which is how to change your YouTube channel. Now, I found it very frustrating that after you created your YouTube channel, and you did all this account signing or creation of new Google account, etc., and then you created your YouTube channel just to realize you don't like your YouTube channel name. So how you are gonna change it? It's not very clear from the YouTube manual or any reading, so I had to dig through some YouTube channels and YouTube videos to get this information, and that's why I decided to create this video. So hopefully this will be a short video just to show you. This is my YouTube channel, Tech Videos. It's still a new one, there's no videos in it. So just as you would expect, you click here on the right upper side and you go for YouTube channel. Okay, so I've done that. What is the next? Okay, so there is no videos. Okay, where is the name? How can I change this name? Okay, well, actually it's very easy. You just go into customize channel. Okay, so if you click on customize channel, and then you've got your channel here, a new channel name again, and asking you to create videos, branding, etc. Just go to basic information. So, and then after you go to the basic information, you find this edit channel name here, the pen. So I spent some time just clicking on this view. This will view your channel on YouTube. You're clicking on my name, it's not working. So simply go into your account, go into your channel. After that, you customize channel. After you customize the channel, go to basic information. Okay, then you click here. Now I want to change my YouTube channel to make it unique. How can I find if it is unique or not? This is another story. Okay, I'll show you two ways to do that. So I wanted to create a YouTube channel that is about technology, about videos that help other people. So I wanted to call it Tech Videos. So, but then I realized that this is not a unique name. How did I find it? There is two ways. Now, there is a professional way and the other way which can use YouTube native um, tools available. So let me show you the professional way. Okay, so I'm gonna change this into something later. So I'll create a new tab. I'll call it go to Social Blade. Okay, I'm not paid by Social Blade, but I just found that this is a useful website. I just put my name in there. So if you go and type tech videos or tech vids, did I say tech videos? Okay, so tech vids is there. I was calling my channel as tech videos, and here you go, there is another channel name exactly like the one that I have suggested to myself. So that's why I decided to change it, and I found it a hard time to select the unique YouTube channel. Before I forgot, what is the native YouTube way, the mundane way, using native YouTube tools to check if it is unique? Just go to YouTube, search here for tech videos, click enter. This will show you all the videos, filter by channel. This is very annoying because you have to check filters every time you do the search. It does not remember your search. Is very bad. Anyway, so you can see lots of tech videos here, and the first one, which was suggested by Social Blade. So I've decided to change. I did lots of variations like tech for you, and then I found another name exactly has 657 videos. No, I don't want that. Then I realized that you can use the long name. It seems people don't like to use technology. You click it, you find one, okay, but it's not very known. It's no uploads. I don't know if this is a real YouTube channel because there is no uploads, there is zero videos. So it must be something that is been created long time and has been abandoned, or it's another YouTube channel to an account that people has been subscribing to and then decided to do YouTube channel that has nothing inside. So I'm like this. I need this name, so I'm gonna change to technology, and that's it. And you save, no save button. Again, YouTube is making you um, puzzled again, so just click publish, and here you go. You change your YouTube channel. You don't so I was thinking that I need to create a new channel, but this saved me um, lots of hassle by just go to the basic information, edit, and then you change your name. So by this video as the learning points to take home, you can change your YouTube channel name. That's number one. Also, we've seen how to search for unique YouTube channels either through searching YouTube and filter by channel. This is the YouTube using YouTube tools, or you can use my favorite website, Social Blade, and check for unique YouTube channels. I hope you have benefited from video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and like this, and see you again. All the best.